Hi, this is Rajat from Startup Frat, and today I want to talk to you about the webinar that we are going to be doing on Thursday night and what we are going to be discussing over there. So, if you are a business owner who wants to supercharge their profit levels, if you are a corporate professional who's sick and tired of their job, they're looking for other options. If you're an independent professional, doctor, lawyer, chartered accountant who's lost in an ocean of other such professionals, you want to set yourself apart. Or if you're just a normal person who wanted to learn a lot about business, but all these complex terms and terminologies always scared you, then you're at the right place. What we're going to be talking about on Thursday is how to supercharge your profits using wrappers. And we've spoken about this in multiple different formats in our mastermind group earlier, but I'll just explain this to you once more. Imagine this is your core business, whatever business you're into. And for people who don't have a business, not to worry, I'll talk to you about it in just a second. If you are an independent professional like a doctor, lawyer, or chartered accountant, this is your practice. What we're going to be talking about is adding layers to it. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to add a wrapper on top of your product or service. So we're not going to say, hey, this is what I do, this is what I produce, this is what I sell, this is what I retail, this is what I do. No, we're not going to do that. What we're going to do is we're going to add a wrapper on top of it, and this wrapper is only going to talk about the benefits that your customer or prospective customer gets out of your product or service. So for example, if you are a chartered accountant who specializes in helping companies manage, if you're into risk management and compliance, now what you're going to be talking about is, hey, did you know these are the 10 areas in which the new laws affect normal businesses, and these are the gaps where you can actually, get into compliance issues. And what we are going to be doing is we are going to create a message out of it. Okay, so if you're in my Hangout group on Facebook, do you realize you hardly know anything about me, but over the last few weeks my message has resonated with all of you, so that's why me and you are kind of becoming friends over a period of time. So what you're going to do is you're going to send out a message, and this message is going to educate people about this wrapper or about this benefit, right? So you're going to get this message, you can do for free via Facebook, like I'm doing on Facebook. Okay, this message is going to start drawing eyeballs. And out of these eyeballs, some people are going to be motivated to buy your product or service. Now, imagine that your product sells for 100 rupees and it's like a 20% profit product. So I'm going to write ticket size over here. I'm going to write profit over here. Okay, so you provide a service, bill it for 80 to 100 rupees, or you provide a product and it takes you 80 to 80 rupees to actually make it, you carry home a profit of 20 rupees. What you're going to do is, and these are just figures, this could be, let's say 10,000, and this could be 2,000. Okay, now what you're going to do is, not only is this messaging, which is literally low cost or free, Facebook or whatever, not only is this going to add to the number of eyeballs to your business, you're going to be paid to create this message and send it out. You're going to get paid how much? Ranging from $9.99 to $9,999 to provide this message. To educate the customer to buy your service, you're going to get paid $9.99 to $9,999 rupees. That is the price range, because that is the kind of price range that people buy online, and you're going to be going online with this. More than maybe 10,000 rupees, people don't buy online so much in India. But this stuff you can easily do, and we are going to be talking about how I've helped other people to do it and how I can help you as well. This message you're going to send out, this message is going to add customers over here that did not exist before, and these customers are going to pay you to understand the benefit that your product and service provides. Okay, at which point, once you bring them in, you open the wrapper and you get them into your product and service. Not only that, a lot of these people will be motivated and they will ask you exactly how they can do this stuff for themselves. A lot of people say, okay, Dr. Saab, you've helped me out, but I want to really maintain a healthy lifestyle going forward. Or imagine you are into a production type business and a lot of your competitors are hurting, and they come to you and they say, well, I would really love to understand, what to do, etc. What you're going to do is you're going to provide them consulting. Now, these could be prospective clients who ask a lot of questions and they're like, well, before I spend a lakh of rupees with you, I really need to understand how this whole thing works. you're going to provide them some consulting. Now this could be on-site consulting or one-on-one consulting. Okay, and you're going to get paid over here ranging from 40,000 rupees to about 1.5 lakh rupees. The time to deliver this training or this consulting would be approximately 4 hours to 12 hours. This is 4 hours into 1 day or 4 hours times 3 days. Okay. Now the funny thing over here is that while actually providing the product or service, you make only 20% profit. But while providing this consulting, you make 100% profit because there is literally no cost apart from the cost of your time, which is significant, but there is no hard cost to this. Okay. Also, to provide this message over to the market and collect payments, the fun thing is you need to create it once, but it keeps selling forever. What is the maintenance to maintain this digital ecosystem that sells this digital product for you? Ranging from maybe 2,000 a month to 20,000 a month. Okay, now it may seem that 999 rupees is too less to charge for something that costs 2,000 rupees to deliver, but this is a flat rate and this is unlimited. Potentially if 100 people buy this product at 999, so you've got 999 times 100. You just collected 1 lakh of rupees for something that cost you ranging from 2,000 to 20,000 to deliver. Let us say it costs you 20,000 to deliver this product or service. That's 80% profit. This is 100% profit. This is 20% profit. Okay, suddenly you're not in the business, not only in the business of providing this product and service, you're in the business of providing the messaging and providing the consulting around this product and service. Okay, I'll talk to you about the case study of Vaibhav, who set up his photography business, and usually his photography deals would be at about 15,000 rupees, and it would cost him in terms of man and material about 10,000 rupees to deliver. So he would actually only make about 5,000 rupees in profit. Now he's become a visual evangelist. Now what he does, he consults business houses on how to set up their own personal brand, and he charges 30,000 rupees here and 15,000 here. This is a 30% profit business because it costs him 10,000 to deliver this service, and he makes only 5,000 rupees off of it. Over here, he makes all the 30,000 in profit. So suddenly, now his package is 45,000, and out of that, 35,000 is his profit. Close to 70% profit. So not only has he doubled his ticket size, doubled or tripled his ticket size, his profit margin has gone up from 30% to 70%. How would you like to do that? How would you like to triple your ticket size, which is the total revenue, and make 70% profit on all of that? Okay, I'll introduce you to Vaibhav's case study. I'll probably play a video or something because he used to send me a video. I asked him to send his case study over. Maybe I'll play that. Now, for people who do not have this, for people who say, hey, I'm just looking, I just want to get into my own business, but I don't have a product or service. So what do I do? Well, what you do is I'll introduce you to something called marketplaces. Did you know that 83% of all the companies in the world, including India, 83% of all the companies in the world, including India, who provide any product or service are actually looking for promotional partners. So if you can build this, the message takes literally 1 week to build, only 1 week to build. Okay, if you can build this and get the eyeballs, 83% of all the product and service providers in the world will be willing to pay you ranging from 30% to 70% of all their profits just in order to get the customer. Okay, that concept is called affiliate marketing, and I will walk you through the case study of Kritika, who had an Instagram account and she had a bunch of following and all of that, but she's not making any money from it. She worked with me for 3 months, and today she makes 1.5 lakh rupees a month just by getting into a marketplace that I introduced her to and forming alliances with companies that resonate with her message. Okay, and her followers and subscribers are only too happy because she is a specialist in that area, so they trust her advice and they only want to do business with companies and products and services that she recommends. So she gains good karma points from her subscribers, who are the buyers, and from the suppliers as well. Okay, total take home 1.5 lakh rupees. Kritika is only 19 years old, by the way. We'll talk about all of that, and at the end I'm going to give you something very, very special. I'll give you a free course which teaches you on how to set up, how to plan the finances if you want to set up this business from scratch. And then I'm going to be walking you through my ecosystem. Did you realize that if you set this up, you will be actually at the highest level of the influence spectrum? Okay, that influence spectrum that we spoke about, the 5 levels of influence. If you set up 3 layers of business that not only go together in a congruent fashion, but they actually feed into each other, then you set up a digital ecosystem or a business ecosystem which is very, very hard to get out of. Think Amazon, think Apple. The subscribers don't want to leave. Okay, if you've not already subscribed or registered for this webinar, the link is startupfrat.club/. Okay, if you've not registered, make sure you register because the rooms are limited in size, and then make sure you appear 15 minutes ahead of time. Okay, and on that day I'm going to be giving you a chance to enter my digital ecosystem. I consult companies, I consult individuals, I consult people like Kritika and Vaibhav, and I'm going to be doing something very, very, very special for you, where you and I can get to work together on creating this message for you in a period of 7 days flat, and then you can go to market in the next 30 to 60 days. Okay, I'm going to be talking to you about how you can add 1 lakh rupees or more to your bottom line or your current income without spending more than maybe 2,000 to 20,000 rupees a month. Okay, all of this is pretty much extremely low cost and very free, and you don't need an office or employees to do all of this. Okay, so if you haven't already registered, register at startupfrat.club/mail, and I'll see you in the webinar. See you. Bye-bye.